Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Sana Amira. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing video, but actually it's unbagging. It's not unboxing, but still the same thing. Still gonna open up some goodies and see what I got. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Sana. I like to do a lot of unboxings, unbaggings. I like to sprinkle a few vlogs here and there, a few beauty videos here and there. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So let's dig in to this. I'm really excited because brother Instagram, what got me again? So, yeah, there's been this site that's been popping up. I think it's pronounced Murci, or like Murci, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so I got like 3 different dresses. I will show y'all what they are and I'll try them on, and yeah, I'm excited but nervous because they are in UK sizing, and I have gained the quarantine 15, but at this point it's probably 20, and it's not going down, but I need to work on that. That's what I'm gonna do for next year, for 2025. I'm gonna lose weight, okay? I'm gonna lose all the weight. I'm gonna lose 20 pounds. That's my goal. But yeah, anyways, let's dig into this bag to see what I got, okay? All right. Let's see if I have a, y'all know I love the itemized receipt, so let's see if they gave me one. So that is return receipt. Ooh. Here's a QR code to win 100 euros. Okay, well, no itemized receipt, boo, but all 3 of the dresses are here. So, my plan was to wear a different outfit. I'm going to dinner tonight, so my plan was to wear a different dress, but I think I might end up wearing one of these dresses. So, and this actually happens to be the dress. So yeah, hopefully it fits. So here is the first dress. I don't know the name because like I said, I don't have my itemized receipt, but I think this is so cute. It's very thick, so it's like perfect for this weather because it's like 50 degrees outside right now. So I'm obsessed. I think I probably will wear this. Yeah. It was sold out a couple of times when I was like ready to bite the bullet. And then Black Friday came along and I snatched this up, so I'm really excited. I got this in a size, ooh, this is a UK 8, which is a US 4. I'm not a 4. This is not gonna fit me. I mean, they're stretch. Yeah, I'm not a 4. I'm like a 6 to an 8, but this is stretchy, so fingers crossed for me, y'all. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm obsessed. It has leopard print. It has like, it's printed, so it's not real, but it has like studs and leopard. It has like this faux leather detailing. I'm not a fan of faux leather because over time it will start to deteriorate and get all in your washer and dryer. So I didn't realize it had that on there, but whatevs. And I'm kind of debating, the place is walkable, but I want to wear heels. So I don't know if that's gonna work because the heels that I want to wear are not walkable heels. They're sit down, look cute heels. But anyways, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this is the dress. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. I hope it fits. All right. The next piece that I got. Ah, yes. Oh, it actually has the name. Oh, okay, so that dress that I just had was the Minx mini dress, and it even says stretch with multi-print. This dress is the kitten mini dress in leopard. I got this in a 10, which I guess is like a UK 6, so it'll probably fit. I think I probably got that one because it did stretch. This one does not have stretch, so. Oh, how cute. Y'all know I love me some leopard, okay? Leopard, cheetah, all that is my shit. This looks huge, but we'll see. Well, look how cute it is. I love the little fanning here. I love it. Oh, this is so cute. I just hope it fits. But yeah, there's that dress. Last but certainly not least, I'm excited for this one. This is the candy lace cowl neck mini dress. Tea. Okay, yeah, so it goes like this. How cute is that? Look at this big ass buckle. It's insane. I got this in a 10. This might actually be too big. I probably should have gotten this in an 8 because it's stretchy, but I think I got it in a 10 because it is a mini dress and I have a lot of ass. So I didn't want my ass to hang out. So yeah. But I'm excited. Look at the back. It's all out and shit. I'm gonna be looking good. So yeah, let me go ahead, try on these dresses so y'all can see how they look. But yeah, I'll be back.
So here's the first dress. I am completely obsessed. It is kind of tight, but it does look good. So this is the dress that I'm wearing to dinner. I paired it with my Margiela boots and my Louis Vuitton bag, and I just love how this fits. It looks good. It's very chic. It's very sexy, very form-fitting. It's perfect. I just love how it goes with my boots too. When I tell y'all, Murci did their thing with this dress. I think it looks so good. I am obsessed with the ruffles. It fits me well. I thought it was going to be too big, but apparently I look in the mirror and think I am tiny when I am actually a thickums. So yeah, this fit perfectly. It was actually kind of tight. So yeah, yeah, the fit was great. I looked great. I actually ended up wearing this out with a lace top. I paired it with a lace top from Free People. My boots are my mom's, but yeah, like this dress is everything. Baby, do we see the material? Okay, look at your girl. This skirt is short AF. This is for somebody that doesn't have any arse. But as long as I wear like some long shorts. Ooh, I didn't even realize it was see-through because my shorts are blue and I could definitely see them through that skirt or the dress. But yeah, I think it looks so good. This is definitely going to be like a summer outfit because it's so revealing. But yeah, I look good. I feel good. Can't play pool in that. See, there go the shorts. But yeah, I love this dress. It's really cute. It's very dangerous because it's short, but I love it. I think I look great. Boots are by my mom. Mom has all the good stuff, but yeah.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know which dress you like the most in the comments below. If you want to see me do more unbagging videos, if you've seen stuff on Instagram that has been speaking to you but you don't know if you want to buy it, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what it is and I'll do my research and I'll see what I can do. Please make sure to follow me on all my social medias at Honest Mara, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!